Today we're going to discuss quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals are polygons, and polygon's another word for a shape. Technically, the definition is that a polygon is a closed figure with straight sides. A quadrilateral is a polygon that has four sides. Remember, quad is a prefix that means four. So we name quadrilaterals by their characteristics. The quadrilateral that is most different from all of them is the trapezoid. These two are trapezoids. The only thing a trapezoid has to have is four sides and one set of parallel lines. Now remember, parallel lines run side by side like train tracks and they never intersect. So this set of parallel lines is parallel. This set is not, because eventually they'll run into each other and intersect. So this is a trapezoid, and this is a trapezoid as well. This set of lines is parallel. These will eventually intersect, so they are not parallel. Now, the rest of the quadrilaterals have two sets of parallel lines. And if they are a four-sided figure with two sets of parallel lines, they are automatically called a parallelogram. So each one of these is a parallelogram because they all have four sides and they all have two sets of parallel lines. This one is nothing else. It's just a parallelogram. It doesn't have 90-degree angles. It doesn't have equal sides. So when we say parallelogram, usually this is the type of shape we're thinking about. However, all the rest of them are parallelograms as well. These two are not parallelograms. Why? Only one set of parallel sides. Alright, let's take a look at our next set of parallelograms. These parallelograms each have four sides. This one has two sets of parallel lines. They all do. This one has four 90-degree angles. So a parallelogram with four 90-degree angles is called a rectangle. Take a look at this one. This is a parallelogram with four 90-degree angles. Is it a rectangle? Yes. We call it a square, though, because it's a special kind of rectangle that has four equal sides as well as four 90-degree angles. This, people oftentimes call a diamond, but it's really a rhombus. A rhombus is a parallelogram with four equal sides. Are the sides all the same length? Yes. Are the angles all 90-degree angles? They don't have to be. Can they be? They sure can. This square right here is also a rhombus, a special kind of rhombus that has 90-degree angles. Just like this is a special kind of rectangle that has equal sides. So, let's review. Quadrilaterals all have four sides. Trapezoids have one set of parallel lines. Any other quadrilateral has two sets of parallel lines. If it has four 90-degree angles, it's a rectangle. So here's a rectangle and here's a rectangle. If it has equal sides, it's a rhombus. So I almost made a mistake, didn't I? Here's a rhombus and here's a rhombus. This is a special rhombus that has 90-degree angles, just like this is a special rectangle that has equal sides. This one is just a parallelogram, has two sets of parallel sides. They're not equal length, the angles aren't equal, so it has no other name.